Oh, hello guys. It looks as though I'm back again with this HMV radio, and it appears that I haven't really properly aligned it. So I've got my signal generator down here set to about 455, the IF frequency. I've calculated it out on the scope because I don't have a frequency counter. I've got it so that it calculates to about 2 microseconds per division. I've put it there. If I can get my probe. This is with the modulation off. There it is. I've got it to about 455 kilocycles or kilohertz, and we're going to see if we can align this radio to the proper IF frequency. Got it into the aerial. It's all mains earth reference because the radio is earthed and the generator's earthed, so it doesn't really need the earth connection. And we've got 2 IF cans there. I'll have to set the scope up so that it's attached to the speaker output, and we'll see if we can align it. The IF frequency. Just the tuning. Tuning caps. And that's down to 10 microvolts multiplier, probably about probably about 100 microvolts coming out of that at the IF frequency. I think that's probably pretty good. I'll see if adjusting this one. Okay, that one adjusts the dial alignment, I think. Okay, I think the IF frequency is aligned. I'll have to realign the dial because I tweaked that capacitor. I think it might have adjusted something else, but anyway, I'll set the oscillator to 1 megahertz and realign that. Now we've got the dial aligned to the 1 megahertz. that adjustment there adjusts your local oscillator frequency, and I've set the needle to point to around about 1 megahertz, and I've set SigGen to as close as I can to 1 megahertz, and I adjusted that till I heard the tone come through. Adjusted that till the tone came through. So hopefully now this set's properly aligned now. I've adjusted the IF cans to their appropriate 455, both cans, and the main tuning, the aerial tuning, I think that's what it's for. And hopefully I'll stick an aerial on it and see what its sensitivity is like. Start from the start of the AM band. That's 550. And that's a pretty weak station. It's hard to see the pointer through the scale, but
Plus, with a massive $3 million stock clear out.
That's news to ZB. It's about 1080.
But hurry, stock won't last. Paper Plus's blackout sale on.
There's another one further down, I think.
On-time Labour camp. But she's under fire for saying people would resist the idea of having a gay...
$1.25 million for strong performances over the hard-fought season.
And that's another weak station. And I think that's the end of the dial.
Christchurch District. Bodily harm. The summary of facts stated the man held the heater grill against the 5-year-old's face because he was angry when the heater was knocked over and scorched the carpet. Some of the boy's burns are so deep they passed through all his layers of skin. Police examination showed burnt skin and tissue.
That's just a news station, I
The
think.
man has been remanded in custody until his sentencing on November 13.
And that was the alignment of the HMV 475.
General Manager Peter Travers